In today's video, I am going to teach you how to enable Keep Inventory in Minecraft 26.1.2 Updated 2026 Guide if you want to keep all of your items after dying in Minecraft Java Edition. You can do that by turning on the Keep Inventory game rule. This is very useful if you do not want to lose your gear, tools, food, or other important items every time you die. The process is quick, but there is one thing you need to check first. Cheats must be enabled in the world where you want to use the command. Start by opening Minecraft Java Edition. From here, either create a new world or open an existing world. If you are making a new world, make sure cheats are turned on before you enter the world. If you are using an existing world, confirm that cheats are already enabled. The command will not work if cheats are disabled. Once you are inside the world, press the T key on your keyboard. This will open the chat window, and that is where you can enter game commands. Make sure you are typing the command exactly as shown, so it works correctly. In the chat box, type /gamerule space keep inventory space true. The full command is /gamerule keep inventory true. After typing the command, press enter. If the command is accepted, keep inventory will now be enabled in that world. From that point on, whenever your character dies, you will respawn with all of your items still in your inventory. This includes the gear and materials you were carrying at the time of death. If you ever want to turn this setting off later, you can open chat again with the T key and change the command from true to false. That would disable keep inventory and return the world to normal item loss on death. But if your goal is to keep everything after dying, leave the setting on true. This setting only applies to the world where you entered the command, so if you play in another world, you will need to repeat the same steps there as well. It is also important to remember that this is for Minecraft Java Edition with cheats enabled, since commands depend on that setting. Open your world, press T, type /gamerule keep inventory true, and press enter. After that, your items will stay with you when you respawn. That covers everything you need to know.